What are we doing here? I'm gonna be personally flying to some DSD clients with the restorations done, ceramic restorations finished, to try them in person and finish the case together with the dentist. Basically back to my roots. The idea is that we want to take advantage of my lecturing engagements. Every other week I'm lecturing somewhere around the world. And since we have DSD clients all over the world, I can stop by, I can take the case with me, stop by, see the patients, and do all the necessary modifications, chairside with the dentist, fine-tune the case, interact with the patient, understand the nuances that only in the mouth you can see, learn, of course, from seeing our own work in the mouth, but also helping the dentist understand better how to finish these cases. So for this round of the DSD Natural Restoration World Tour, South Florida is the destination. I'm visiting 3 DSD clinics, good friends, great clinicians, doing 4 cases in 3 dentists. So first we're gonna go to Dr. Saba Rizvi, and we have a beautiful case here that we are doing her, a full upper arch that is a mix between veneers, crowns, and a 3-unit bridge. So very nice, single posterior crowns, one side, 3-unit posterior bridge, and frontal veneers. Material selection was E.max Bleach 3 LT. In the model is looking very, very nice. Quality control was done. Checklist was followed. We have everything approved. Our DSD visual communication, asynchronous visual communication already happened. Doctor already approved, and the case is ready to be packed. Okay, this is first. Then we're gonna go to Dr. Karla Soto, and with Karla, I'm gonna do 2 cases. I really personally loved the outcome of these cases. And here, what we're gonna do is that we did both smile makeovers, both upper arches with Feldspathic block. With the Feldspathic block, you see here, they are beautifully prepared for the try-in. We did use here Vita 3 Lux Forte Feldspathic block, multi-colored Feldspathic block, beautiful material. We're really enjoying the outcome, and very cool what we did here in this case. One of these 2 cases, we did actually the full arch in Feldspathic, but the 2 centrals we did Feldspathic, but also in translucent zirconia, and also on Suprinity, that is lithium silicate. So you have lithium disilicate and lithium silicate. So we're gonna try in the same patient the 3 materials on the central, document, make our evaluation. As I said, we want to learn material selection, decision-making process. Then I go to Dr. Diana Torres. Actually, in this case, is not ready, as you can see. Zirconia is milled, ready to be sintered still. Team will finish today. I'm flying in 2 days, so we're gonna finish it today. Very challenging case because it combines implant restorations and crowns over teeth. One extra challenge is that the implant systems on the back posterior is a system that doesn't sell in Europe. They cannot even sell the components. So what we're gonna have to do is that we're gonna finish everything, the ceramic part. Dentist already received the components. Chair side, we're gonna bond components to the ceramic with Panavia, bring them together, and then try them in. Of course, we're not gonna be able to adjust, if necessary, my minimum interproximal contacts as we always do on the model. So I'm gonna have to do that chair side. Okay, so that is a cool thing about this case. We're gonna have to work chair side bonding the ceramics to the components. And of course, on this case, we are doing everything in translucent zirconia. So we have translucent zirconia, we have E.max, we have Suprinity, we have Feldspathic, Trilux Forte blocks. We're gonna try everything. We're gonna learn so much from these 3 cases, and hopefully at the end of next week, we're gonna have 3-4 very happy patients. From our side, my main mission is to understand how good our restorations are behaving in the mouth from the optical properties perspective. We know that DSD Natural Restorations have very well under control when it comes to function, when it comes to morphology, shapes, texture. We're really proud of the work that we are doing. But there's one thing that you can only really see in the mouth, and that's the optical properties of the restoration. How alive these restorations look in the mouth, how the light dynamics is working between the materials, the substrate, the material selection, and how real these restorations look from the optical perspective. If you like this idea of learning from the experience of doing a case together, exploring complete digital workflows and DSD Natural Restoration, monolithic, natural libraries, restorations. If you like to explore this possibility of having me visiting you, let me know and we can explore this option. And in the next episode, Jace came in. He was not showing much teeth when smiling. Nice guy that deserves, of course, a much healthier and more beautiful smile. And that's what he mentioned. He mentioned the word health.